This is Alex. He is a biologist working at the University of Basel. And here is his colleague Lisa, in charge of the training of future veterinarians.
Alex, I need to prepare a veterinary course. 15 students need to perform one blood sampling each on a living animal. I need to decide how many animals to use.
So each student must perform one blood sampling? So what's the problem?
I would prefer not to use one animal per student because that is a lot of animals. But on the other hand, I do not want to impose all the 15 procedures on one animal. So what do you think?
You can create groups of students working on the same animal. That way, no animal will experience too many blood sampling.
This is one of the dilemmas we face in animal research. In most countries, including Switzerland, the law requires that we use as few animals as possible, but also that we cause the minimal harm possible. And sometimes it is not clear how to apply these principles. In our project called Explorer, we investigate these conflicting interests and different perspectives on the use of animals in research in our society.
But what species are we talking about? Maybe my answer can be different, depending on the species of animals you are using. Are they fish, mice, or dogs?
We will use mice, but I mean, all these species can experience pain and stress.
Yes, sure, but I will not feel the same about dogs.
In Switzerland, the law aims at protecting the well-being as well as the dignity of all vertebrate animals, but also of some invertebrates like, for example, octopuses. However, it has been shown that professionals, just like the public, have different intuitions when it comes to different species. For example, they may have different attitudes in cases involving octopuses or mice compared to cases involving dogs or primates. Therefore, when we consider such dilemmas, our intuitions are sensitive to factors that go beyond the minimization of physical harm. We might be sensitive to our relationship to that particular animal, or to their lifespan, or even to what happens to the animal after the experiment.
For an up-to-date ethics of the human-animal relationship, we need a better understanding of our intuitions, which are often conflicting. Follow the links below to learn more about our project and findings, and to challenge your own intuitions about your relationship to animals.